October 2nd marks Gandhi Jayanti, Mahatma Gandhi's birth anniversary. This year, we are celebrating his 155th birth anniversary. In India, it's a national holiday while the world observes it as the International Day of Non-Violence, an acknowledgement of Gandhi's philosophy of peace. Born in Porbandar, Gujarat, in 1869, Gandhi played a key role in India's freedom struggle through non-violent protests, ultimately leading to India's independence in 1947. His principle of Satyagraha combined truth and non-violence, inspiring people globally to fight injustice peacefully. Gandhi Jayanti became an official holiday after his passing, with the day dedicated to promoting peace and harmony. On Gandhi Jayanti, India's Prime Minister, President, and other dignitaries visit Rajghat in New Delhi to pay their respects. Many schools honor the day with cultural programs, singing Bapu's favorite bhajan Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram, and hosting debates, fashion dress competition, and film screenings. For Gandhi, non-violence wasn't just about physical acts, it extended to one's thoughts and words as well. Known for his simplicity, Gandhi made his own clothes, cleaned his surroundings, and encouraged others to live a humble life. Gandhi was nominated for the Nobel Prize 5 times but never won. However, he was named Time magazine's Person of the Year in 1930. The UN later recognized October 2nd as the International Day of Non-Violence in 2007.